Namaste. Good evening. How is everyone out there today? This is Destiny. I have had a very beautiful and sweet and healthy and wholesome day myself. This is Friday and it's November 15th, 2018, and I'm back here with another video. So let me get all ready to bring this video. Put myself up here so you guys can see me. This video is like a continuation of the video that I did, I think it was 3 days ago. And that video was an introduction because I want people to really understand about the human body, and that the human body is composed or consists of 12 systems. Some people say 11, and then there are others I have read and studied on said 12. So let's jump into this. Now, I'm not going to go back to that video that I did the other day, and that video, but you can. I want you to go back to that video so you can get a better understanding to what I'm talking about today. And that video was titled, How Your Car is Like Your Body. And I went through an analogy and I was explaining how the human body has so many systems. Well, your vehicle or your car also have many different systems, and you can actually compare each one of those systems with the human body and the car and find so many similarities and find that they operate in very much the same way. Now, that video was pretty exciting, learning more about your body and as well as learning about your car and how each operates. It's so amazing how much the human body and the vehicle of a car, there are systems within that body and within that car. They are just totally, absolutely working about the same function. So you need to watch that video. You need to go back and look for that video, How Your Car is Like Your Body. It was done like 3 days ago, and it was introduction. But I decided that I'm not going to go back on and talk about the car systems. I want to dive deeper into the human body systems, because I think that we get to a place now we need to really understand our body, and we really need to really learn the different body parts. And I know, like I said, we were taught a lot of things in school, but a lot of us been out of school for how many years and have not picked up a book. Let me tell you, this book, Biology, it tells you all about your body parts, your body systems, the different diseases, things within your body. We have not studied this in a long time. Many of us have not. Now, maybe you're in nursing school or you're studying to be a doctor or whatever, or some type of medical field or some holistic coach or whatever. You may have picked up this book, but a lot of people have not yet picked up the book to really study. And I think we really need to know more about our bodies, because our divine creator, our higher power, the creator of the universe, he created this body. And this body is his temple. Our body is the temple of the Most High. Our divine creator, you call him God, okay. He created this body. It belongs to him. This is where he dwells within us. The kingdom of God, he dwells in us. He came and he pitched his tent within us, and he lives inside, and this is his house. So our body is nothing but a frame, but the inside, the interior part is his home. And you guys, I mean, today I was thinking about that, how our bodies, belongs to the creator of the universe. And he's such an amazing, awesome creator. And I know he's lavish. He lives lavishly. He's just dynamic. He's awesome. And his house has to have the best upkeep, the best maintenance. And he put everything in there so beautifully, sparkly, and just pure, absolutely, probably defined in gold. You know what I'm saying? It's just top notch. But over the process of our lives, we allow it to run down. And like we walk around through a lot of neighborhoods and we see how people just let neighborhoods and homes within the neighborhoods just demolish. And they just go down and go to run. And they're nothing, and they're horrible, and they're terrible. And you don't want to walk inside of that. So we have to keep our bodies clean. So knowing that this is the creator, our divine God, this is his house within us, we got to take better care of the house. He is the landowner. He is the keeper of the home. He wanted to access and have access in and outside of this house. And he created it to be beautifully and just healthy and clean and wholesome. So guys, let's jump into this. I'm got off on this a little bit further than what I was expecting. But I have a few notes, and I just want to stay within the body systems of the human. So, I'm just going to touch on a brief little parts of this, and I got my notes here. And then I'm going to say, I'm always encouraging you, hey, I'm putting this out there, but hey, you can go a whole lot deeper than what I'm going to touch on. And a whole lot of more study on this subject out there. You just got to go and dig and search. And I'm always encouraging people to do their own research. So again, let's jump into this. And I'm just going to title this one. It's just a little overlay of what I talked on 3 days ago, how your car is like your body. But I'm going to title this, Know Your Body Systems. And I'm talking about your human body systems. Okay? So let's get into the notes I got here. See, our body consists of a number of biological systems that carry out specific functions necessary for everyday living. And that is the way the divine creator, our God, created our bodies to function and to defend itself. Because every system within our body, every organ, every cell, our immune system, I don't care whatever you call it, whatever you name it, every part of our body has been created so it can war and fight against viruses, infections, diseases, and sicknesses, and all those things. Every part of our body, the Creator already gave it a function and a job and a task and assignment, so it would know what to do when different viruses or different diseases will try to attack our body. But hey, we allow our bodies to run down, and we start eating unhealthy foods. We started taking drugs and different things, or prescription drugs, and a lot of times we take all kinds of other kind of things, alcohol. We have run our body. So, but he had created this body in every organ, every cell, our blood, everything within us to war and defend for itself. So, let's talk about these different body systems. Like I said, some say there is 11 and some say it's 12, but go out and do your research and then you'll get the full understanding and the correct answer yourself. But I'm going to name off the body systems, and the first one is the circulatory system. And the job of the circulatory system is to move your blood, your nutrients, your oxygen, your carbon dioxide, and your hormones around the body. And it consists of your heart, your blood vessels, your arteries, and your veins. And the second one is the digestive system. And the digestive system consists of a series of connected organs that together allow the body to break down and absorb food. And then it removes the waste from your body. And it includes the mouth, esophagus, your stomach, small intestines, your large intestines, your rectum, your anus. Also, the liver and the pancreas also play a role in the digestive system because they produce digestive juices. And then the third one is your endocrine system. And it consists of 8 major glands that secrete hormones into the blood. And these hormones, in turn, they travel to different tissues and they regulate various bodily functions, such as your metabolism, growth, and your sexual function. Then the next one, which is your immune system. And we all hear a lot about our immune system, but how much do you understand about your immune system? Now, the immune system is the body's defense against bacterial, viruses, and other pathogens that may be harmful to the body. And it includes your lymph nodes, the spleen, the bone marrow, the lymphocytes, including your B cells and your T cells, the thymus, your leukocytes, which are your white blood cells. And like I said, go and study and you'll learn more. I'm just throwing out a brief introduction to each one of these body systems. And then there is the lymphatic system. That includes your lymph nodes, your lymph ducts, and your lymph vessels, and it also play a role in the body's defenses. And its main job is to make and remove lymph, which is a clear fluid that contains your white blood cells, which help the body fight off infection. And the lymphatic system also removes excess lymph fluid from bodily tissues and it returns it to the blood. Let's go to the next system, which is your nervous system. Your nervous system controls both your voluntary action, like consciousness movement, and involuntary movement, like breathing. And then it sends signals to different parts of the body. And the central nervous system includes the brain and your spinal cord. And the peripheral nervous system, it consists of the nerves that connect every other part of the body to the central nervous system. And the next system, it will be the body's muscular system, which consists of about 650 muscles that aid in movement, blood flow, and other bodily functions. There are 3 types of muscles, which are your skeletal muscles, which is connected to the bone, and it helps with the voluntary movement. Then there is your smooth muscle, which is found inside your organ.
What's up, y'all?
Which is found inside of your organs. And you're probably like, how are we going to find them inside our organs? Okay, they're found inside your organs, and it helps to move substance through your organs. And your cardiac muscles, which is found in your heart, and it helps pump your blood flow. So now you're seeing what I'm saying. how all these different systems, they have their own job to do. And they have to work within that body to keep that body healthy, whole, and wholesome. Whew. So let's go on to the next one, which is your reproduction system. And your reproduction system, it allows humans to reproduce. The male reproductive system includes the penis and the testes, which produce the sperm. And then there's the female reproductive system, which consists of the vagina, the uterus, and the ovaries, which produce the eggs, guys. And during the conception of the sperm, it fuses with an egg, which creates a fertilized egg that implants, and it grows in the uterus. And you know what comes from all of that? A baby is formed. Then there is another system which is called the skeleton system. Now our bodies are supported by the skeleton system. And the skeleton system consists of about 206 bones that are connected by your tendons, your ligaments, and your cartilages. The skeleton not only helps us move, but it also involved in the production of the blood cells and the storage of calcium within our body. The teeth are also a part of the skeleton system, but the teeth are not considered as bones. Then there's the respiratory system, which allow us to take in vital oxygen and expel carbon dioxide in a process that we call breathing. It consists mainly of the trachea, the diaphragm, and your lungs. Then let's move to your next system within that body, which is your urinary system. And that helps eliminate a waste production called a urine from the body, which is produced when certain foods are broken down within the body. And the whole system concludes to kidneys, to uterus, the bladder, to sphincter muscles, and the urethra. And the urine produced by the kidneys, it travels down the uterus to the bladder, and it exits. It exits out of the body, because like I said, this is the urine. It has an exit out of the body through the urethra. And I think the last system I want to talk about is your integument. Well, that's your skin, really. Integument. Integument is your skin. I might mess that pronunciation up a little bit. Integument. That is also your skin system. And that is your largest organ. Your skin. Your skin is the body's largest organ. And it protects us from the outside world. And it is our first defense against bacteria and against viruses and pathogens. Also, our skin also helps regulate the body temperature and eliminate waste through perspiration. And in addition to the skin, the integument or the skin system, it includes your hair and your nails as well. So this is just a brief introduction on our body parts, and I think it's so vitally important that we really study our body parts. I think it's really, really important. Now, there is a link in the website that I am going to put in the description box, and this is a website that you can go to, and you can study more in detail about these body functions to attain in-depth information on each one of these systems. You go and you visit this website. I'm going to put the link in the description box. And you can learn more through this website. You can become a member, and then you can take an advanced study, or you can gain more knowledge and studies in this areas because they can teach you some things, and they're going to probably give you a little test and little study guide where you can be able to go into it. And this instructor name is Amanda Robb, and she does a great teaching on that. So I think that would be very interesting. So please look out for that website, because that is some exciting, very powerful and knowledgeable information, and I think we need to get this. I am done. I just gave you out the the 12 systems of the human body. Now it's up to you to go and study more. I am done. I came here, like I said, did what the Creator sent me to do, and I am through. Guys, I love you guys. I really appreciate you guys so much all the time for sticking with me, for holding up my shoulders, for being a part of my journey. Thank you for being members of Destiny Forever. Guys, I love you out there. And thank you to all of my YouTube subscribers for supporting me and watching my videos and sharing my videos. Guys, like this video. If you want more videos like this, you make sure that you hit that bell notification, and every time I upload or something new, a new video, you will get a notification. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out of here. This is the weekend. It's Friday, and Destiny, she is getting ready for a great afternoon. I love you guys. Please study. Your body belongs not to you, but to your divine Creator, your God. So start treating this body like it was given to you. It was built from the best. So you have to give it the best and love it, and then learn to know every room. This is your body systems within that body. Know every room in that body. Make sure it is in top-notch condition and kept to the immaculate way that the Creator had created. I'm out here. Love you. Namaste. I'll see you later in the next video. Guys, good night.